Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect JBL speaker to laptop, quick fix step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your JBL speaker is fully charged or plugged in. Turn on your JBL speaker by pressing the power button. Activate Bluetooth on your laptop by navigating to the settings. Look for the Bluetooth settings, usually found in the devices section. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, on your JBL speaker, press the Bluetooth button to enable pairing mode. Listen for an audio cue indicating that your speaker is ready to connect. Back on your laptop, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth from the options presented. Your laptop will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once your JBL speaker appears on the list, click on it to initiate the connection. Follow any on-screen prompts that may appear to complete the pairing process. Wait for a confirmation that the speaker is connected. You can test the connection by playing audio from your laptop. If you don't hear sound, check the volume levels on both the laptop and the speaker. If necessary, repeat the pairing process to ensure a successful connection. Once connected, your JBL speaker should automatically pair with your laptop in the future when both are turned on. Enjoy your music or audio with enhanced sound quality from your JBL speaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.